Hey everyone, we are Michael and Donna, and while we are not professional bloggers, we wanted to just give you a little bit of an insight of our vacation on the NCL Gem. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you park at the ship's parking garage. This is the view of the Gem and the very empty parking lot, which means there is tons and tons and tons of room to park your car. How convenient. You get off the ship and you get right back into your car. So awesome, so simple. This area right here is where Eurofins is all set up, and you take your COVID vaccine test, and then you wait for your number to appear on the board. And if you're lucky enough and you have the app on your phone, the results will come via a text, and you don't have to wait for your number to appear, and you could immediately board the ship. This by far is absolutely my husband's favorite part, and mine too, is walking the gangway, especially after it's been so long since we've been able to cruise because of COVID. We were super excited and just could not wait to get on the ship. We are seconds away from starting our vacation and could not be happier. This woman was fantastic. And what a better way than to compliment the beautiful atrium lobby with a new Starbucks coffee shop. So at this point, we decided we were going to just take it all in and look at the beautiful views of Manhattan. There is nothing like it from the perspective of being on a cruise ship and having a 360-degree view of the beautiful island of Manhattan. And in my opinion, there is nothing better than this view of the Statue of Liberty. So now it's official. We are in day one of our cruise, and Mikey is giving his 2 thumbs up and couldn't be happier. So this is a small tour of the Bliss Lounge for those of you who have not been on the Gem in quite some time. It has been refurbished, I believe in 2017. Don't quote me. It's really pretty. I love the modern look of it with the brown and beiges and gray color and some sparkle. We have our section over here with some slot machines, and then our sitting area where they have karaoke and dance night. They do a dance club after the karaoke. On the left here, there used to be a bowling alley. It's really nice, lots of seating and fun for everyone to be had.
why. That's my